Hi, Shelley Hancock here, and welcome to my treatment room. I am so happy that you have purchased the wave. Let's give you some instructions. Let's teach you how to turn the wave on. The bottom button is the on and off button. Then you'll see all the modes displayed. Hit mode up on top here, and the mode that it's on will be flashing. Then to raise the levels on that mode, hit the shift button. Goes up to 4 on the ultrasound level. Hit mode again and it goes down to positive ion. Hit shift to raise the level. Now you can hit mode again and it'll go down to negative ion, but the positive and negative ion cannot work at the same time. The positive ion is to pull debris out of the pores over the top of a cleanser. The negative ion drives product deeper into the skin for hydration and more effectiveness of your ingredients. So you cannot use both of those at the same time. So let's go past that mode, hit mode again, and we're on the biomechanical vibration. Hit shift to lock it in, hit mode again. That's going to take you down to the LED, hit shift. When you hit shift for the LED, red will come on first. Hit shift again for blue, and then green, and then when you hit it again, LED will go off. Let's do red, so we're going to hit it one more time. We're going to settle for red. Let's hit mode. Now it's going down to the timer. It will default to 15 minutes. It goes up to 19 minutes. And then after that, it goes back down to 1 and back up again. Let's go ahead and decide on the 15. And then we're going to lock it all in by hitting this button here. Okay, so now that you know how to turn your wave on, whether you're using it in treatment on a client or you're using it on yourself, you need to have a conductive product on the skin. I like to apply it on half the face, work that half of the face, set the machine down, apply product on the second half of the face, and then work that half of the face. It has to have something with a lot of moisture in it. Ultrasound is conducted with water, okay? So no thick, heavy moisturizer, no thick clay mask or thick white mask. It's got to be full of moisture to conduct well and to get your best results. So let me go over some of the movements that you're going to use on the face. I want you to keep those movements slow. I like upward movements with a little bit of pause at the end. When you get to the eye area, you can do some downward movements with lymphatic drainage if you have some puffiness in that eye area. But let me show you what to do. Okay, I hope this short video has helped you learn how to use the wave. Please do read your instructions thoroughly though. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon in my treatment room.